guys, happy Saturday. Welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to cook rice soup. This is the rice leftover from I do business yesterday. You don't throw away, you keep it, make a rice soup. I'm gonna make this is a pork I cook and I put in freezer. That's pork, fat pork or leg. So I boil them, put in freezer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make a rice soup. Here my ingredient: lemongrass, ginger, spring onion, cilantro, and this is black egg and dark egg sauté, and this is called fermented egg. We call like 1,000 egg. Okay, so I'm gonna go start it now. Go ahead. I'm gonna put this pork right here in the hot water right here. Yes, right there. Chicken broth powder is my ingredient, and sea sauce, and to go ahead put 1 big spoon and here drop in the soup, and sea sauce 1 spoon. Just let them boil the first. If you don't have enough, nothing enough, you can add on. Right now just add a little bit right there first. I'm gonna go ahead drop the rice in here, let them boil them together. Cooking at home, guys, is safety and eat good food and benefits. Cooking food is very easy, guys, so easy. Follow me, show you step by step. See that the rice and pork already in there. Just let them cook. This is gonna be soup. Tastes very good because I cooking pork, I put in the freezer, so when you need that you always pull out and use it. Cooking is very easy. First of all, you have to prep. You prep for everything you need. You prep, and then everything you need, just get ready, so when you cook, just put them together. So easy and fun. Okay, this is sugar. When I cooking food, I like to tap the sugar in there just a little bit for the balance, okay? Not a whole lot, just for taste. Chicken broth, add some more taste. Let it start boiling now. Look at this. Rice soup, guys, healthy, but the flavor is with pork in there. But don't worry, pork I already boiled it, clean out all the fat. No more fat. Okay, I clean and throw away the fat water. And I put all the good meat here in the freezer. And it becomes rice soup. Be yum. They call crunchy. If you go to Chinese restaurant, they call crunchy. So that's a rice soup. So you can make at home. Just follow me. I show you to make step by step. Very easy. Is the rice soup boiling right now? You can make loose. If you want to add more water, you want to eat like soupy, add on more. You want like creamy, just this way, okay? Cooking food, stay out of trouble. You go to restaurant because it's nothing there better than you cook at home. Especially we have a coronavirus right now. We got a problem. We need to cook, stay home and eat good food. Protect your immune system, okay? Especially ginger right here. Oh God, you don't believe that this is very powerful. 10 benefits from there, and you can cook and eat and healthy and just helping you. Never can get enough ginger. Just drop more ginger in there, guys, because ginger's benefit. Eat ginger like a vegetable, okay? Especially right now we got a problem like that. You have to eat a lot more ginger, okay? Anything vitamin C, and sour, eat it, because only thing can helping you eat a lot of food and good food at home, okay? Cooking good food, you have to have lemongrass, ginger, just like that. You see that? Cooking good food. Lemongrass and ginger, that's ingredient, that's the main one, guys, main one. Don't forget about lemongrass. You see that? The lemongrass slide in there, make your food taste so good and smell delicious, okay? Just like that. Let me taste. Oh man, it's so good. This is breakfast. So good. Can't get enough ginger. Just add on some more, okay? Come my egg. That's black egg. They call 1,000 egg. This is a dark salty egg. So go ahead, drop in there. Oh man, this is going crazy good. Yeah. And let me stir. at this. Salty egg get in there. And black egg get in there. Nice. That's crazy. Good, guys. Look at this. Okay, very good. Look at that. Look at the egg. Rice soup ready. Let's turn off. Sparkle spring onion right there. Ready? Yep. Okay, guys, ready to serve. Ready to serve. Okay, ready to serve, and now in the bowl right now. Look at that. Look at that salty egg in there. Black egg in there. More juice. More pork. Yeah. Here you have it. Okay, topping white pepper. White pepper. Topping spring onion, cilantro. Topping a little bit more ginger. Topping hot cherry oil, hot garlic cherry oil. And topping red fried onion. Okay, guys, topping red fried onion. There you have it. Look at this. Oh yes, nice. Yum.
Alright guys, here we go. Oh my goodness. This is so tasty. Oh man, what's that broth? Oh my goodness.
I just made the broth. It's an easy
Magic.
broth.
So good with the egg in here, guys.
The salty egg and the black egg and the pork.
Salty egg, the black egg, and the pork is so tender. And you got the spring onions in here going on. You got the garlic here. And this is so tasty. Right now, I know a lot of people don't want to go out. If you can make something like this at home, you will be fine.